Okay guys, we are back with episode 3 on how to mod. So first thing we are going to do, I almost started typing already. Inside of tutorial mod items and or your item class, we are going to go ahead and start right away. So first public static void, or no, not void, public static init space, or no space, then squiggly brackets, and there you go, you have public static init. Maybe it is void. Yeah, I was right. Void init. Now that should work perfectly fine. Then we're going to do a couple more things sort of like that. Public static void. Now register. Now this is where you can register, or just have register, or you can do it more like how I'm going to do it, and you do public static void register item, register items, and then I'll add a whole bunch more. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, I didn't shift, control copy, control paste, and where it says items, I'm going to take that out for materials. Now, we do another one, and I take that out for register items, register materials, register recipes, and that is how you could do it. Or you can just have register. I am going to do register with all the 3 different ones. Now, as well, we are going to have capital register. We had to type in public static, not static, void, and then register renders, and then space. Those then, alright, just watch the screen. I'm not that good at explaining squiggly brackets and parentheses. Alright, now, our last thing, we have public static void. Oh, and that's supposed to be register, not whatever that is. Alright, now register render. Alright, and this is our last one we have. Control save, and now, oh, we also have the block.zip. I'm going to grab that and take that to the desktop. Just have that. Alright, now last thing we're going to do, instead of register render, I had to look at it. We're going to type in capital item space item, and we must import item from net.minecraft.item, and then do Minecraft dot get Minecraft dot item get item renderer, or yeah, get item renderer dot, I'm gonna have to look at this, I can't remember that well. Get render item, get item renderer. Oh, maybe they changed the way they did it, but whatever. Dot get item model measure, and I'm just gonna copy that. I'll explain that here in just a second. So get item renderer, and dot get no, not another dot get dot. I need it.
I'm going to mute myself because I'm pretty sure you can hear that.
I can. Okay. Dot get item model measure. Dot, and that is Why isn't that working? Get render item. Oh, that's probably why. Get render item. Control C, Control C, Control C, Control C. I'm sorry. Get render item dot get item model measure dot now we have the last one, register. Now inside of register there is item and definition. Now we are going to be putting this inside of it. Now this is first I'll go through it. First we do item, comma space 0, comma space new model resource location, and for this model resource location it is at reference.modid plus colon plus item.getOnLocalizeName dot substring 5. Now look at the code, you might have to pause it for a second. And then we also have to I'll go over it one last time. So first we have item, which pulls the item from the thing. Then we have 0. I'm not for sure what the 0 does, but the new, what I'm going to do right now is minimize that. But new model resource location, that makes it so that way you have a new model resource location, which is like your .json file for the model, which we will be explaining here in just a second. And reference.modid gets the mod ID, which is tutmod, and then it gets the item.getOnLocalizeName, which would be for an item, it could be like tile or something, tile.item, and that is what the unlocalized name is, but it's .substrings it to 5, which takes away the first 5 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it'd just be item, which then, after that, it has comma inventory, because that is for the inventory JSON thing. Now we are going to import model resource location and control save. Now, we have that finished. You can see that there's supposedly a thing in here. I don't see it. Oh, reference. We must import reference. And then import, or change to mod ID. Okay, control save. Now we are all good on almost everything for getting the items ready. Now, what we are going to do is up at the top, I just suggest doing this, that way you can have your items really nice and organized. So I would make 3 separate tabs for materials, items, and tools. So inside of items, we are going to do public static void, no, not void, public static item space, and then the item name, which we will do test item. First I should actually look at what the item looks like. Maybe we'll see what it looks like. Sorry block, sorry item. Alright. Thanks for saying. Oh. That stuff looks very, very crazy looking. Alright, so I'm going to recycle that. So we have these 2 items. We are probably going to be renaming them to, oh, what's dot, what is this? Alright, whatever. Rename to test block, capitals. And same for this. Edit, oh, not edit, dang it. Rename to test item. Now we are ready to come back over here and do capital TESTITEM colon, and you can see that works perfectly fine. Okay. Now we are going to come down to init and do, I have to do just looks so much better when it has 3 spaces. Alright, so inside of init we are going to do test item space equal space new item. I can't remember now. Why can't I remember? New item, okay. New item, that's why I can't remember, because then you do item and then dot set unlocalized name, and inside of quotes we do test item. And now I'm going to do dot set creative tab to be creative tabs dot, and we shall put this in the miscellaneous tab. Now go ahead and put a colon and control save. So now we are almost done with the item inside of our tutorial mod items class. So here where it says register items, we are going to go ahead and type in game registry, and I just had to remember what the very start of it was. I can do it after that. So
TJ,
huh,
did you open up the song file I sent you?
nope.
Or the .wav?
Shh, I'm trying to do this. Okay, so game registry dot register item. We're gonna type most of this out. Register item and then enter. Now inside of here you do item. So test item, and then for name you do. Oh, that's funny. We could do something else for this. So that way it does it for all of them. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to Control Z, Control Z. So where it says item and then name, we're going to set this to the same thing we have down here. As you see, reference or no. Item.get unlocalized name. Dot substring. We're going to control copy that from down there. Alright, now control paste and change that to capital I and capital I. No. Okay, fine. Test item. And you could do the same exact thing, but I just suggest doing what I'm going to do and do quotes. I'm going to check something one last time. Alright. For name unknown, I forget. Is that the in-game name? I'm pretty sure it is. So, right here, for name, we will do test space item. And then control save and...
But have you seen the textures for the items and blocks?
Yeah, I did.
What was your opinion on them?
I said wow.
Yeah.
Alright, so in public static void register renders, we're going to type in is it test item parentheses colon, right? Is it public? I think it's public. No, I can't remember. Oh, okay, it's register render, obviously. Register.
Wait, did you really just... You're an idiot.
I know. Register and renders. Now I can't remember if it's test item or... Oh, I'm really an idiot. See, test item goes inside of the parentheses.
Wait, you renamed them to test item?
Yeah, test item and test block.
You should have kept it as sorry item and sorry block.
No.
I like that name.
Alright, so we are done inside of... Ooh, I just... Control C. Alright, control save, and we are done inside of all of this code stuff right at the moment. So now, inside of source main resources, with our mcmod.info, close all of those by the way. I used middle wheel click right in there by the way. Alright, so, name, that doesn't matter. What I'm going to do is actually copy this, mod ID, control V, And inside of here, you just do mod ID. Same as inside of here, you do name. And then for description, we are going to do a TUT mod by TJ. Alright, now we can do control save.
Maybe it's okay.
And go ahead and do a new
Right.
package. This package we are going to do a sets dot then tut mod. Make sure this is your mod ID completely correct. Dot then from there you do textures, and I'm just going to go ahead and do dot items. Alright, now we can do a new package and change this from dot items to dot blocks, and then from dot textures you can do a new package, and from textures you change it to models dot item, and then new package dot block.
Okay. Before you do that, is this some way?
Let me mute myself one
Okay,
sec.
good idea. Alright, yeah, models. Oh, I just closed that. It doesn't matter though. Models, and then we have one last thing. New package dot lang. Alright, so inside of here we have all of this. Now we are going to go ahead and add the item model. So we are going to go to forge source, sets, Minecraft, models, item, and we can just find such as apple. I use apple because that's what's his face, Mr. Crayfish, taught me what to use. So now you can go ahead and minimize all of these yet again, and then inside of models, inside of item, we go ahead and do new other. Now we can type in file, and first thing, now the file name is going to be test item .json. Don't forget that .json. That's very important. Alright, so we're going to paste the apple.json into test.json, and where it says layer 0, right here, items slash apple, we're going to change that to items slash test item, and also we have to put tut mod colon in front of it. Now we can control save that and add this test item to our mod textures and copy files.
Boom.
Now we have one last thing that we're going to do, and that is a new file inside of lang. So go ahead and open file and en_US .lang. Now press enter, and
File.
that's going to
Select
open.
workspace. Modding. Increments.
Alright, so because I have Notepad++, it opens in that. We're going to want to open it in text editor because that's just the easiest thing to do. Now,
It'll defaultly open in Notepad.
yeah,
Thing.
default. No, I'm pretty sure
No,
defaultly.
it defaultly opens in Notepad, and you have to switch it to that.
Alright, well, I have Notepad++, so it opens in that. But inside of here, now for the item, it is item dot test item dot name equals test item. That's right? Pretty sure
Yeah,
that's right.
sure.
Alright, now we can close both of those and go ahead and start the game. Cross our fingers and hope it works, and I'll be right back. Wait, no I won't. It'll full screen the game.
No, I won't be back at all.
I won't be back. Ever again.
Good.
Our item should be in the game as soon as loaded.
To add more items mod.
Yeah?
Because I made 3 item textures.
Oh, cool. Were those the ones you made on my desktop?
Yeah, those.
They were just... Yeah, I deleted those from my desktop,
Good.
so I hope you have them. And I deleted them from
I thought I deleted them.
recycle.
I thought I deleted them already. My bad.
Yeah, I did clean my desktop if you didn't notice.
Public.
it's so much
Public
better.
static item. Shitty.
Don't do public static. Or wait, for that, yeah. You had to do item. I thought you had to do sort item there, but it's at the other part.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing. All right.
Uh-huh.
What are the texture names? Oh, I moved them from this. I can delete. I can textures. Delete.
Alright. We are going to go to single player and create a new world, and we can just set it as creative and create the new world. Now it's going to do all of the regular Minecraft creating new world stuff, and that should be perfectly fine.
Looking how you spelled machete. Oh, I have to uncapitalize these. Whoops. M-E-C-H-E-T-E. Okay, I spelled it right.
Machete with an E, not an A. Okay.
Machete. It's like mech
Alright.
and then eat. Spelled wrong.
Yeah. Alright, so we are going to press E and go to that tab that we specified it to, which is miscellaneous. Now, scroll down a little bit, and it's not here. Now, that can happen for a couple of reasons. One, I totally forgot that I put it in that, or I put it in the wrong tab. We're just going to search test item real quick, and it's not there. So, one last way to test if we can get it. Also, what I'm going to do real quick, options, music and sound, all the way off, because that's really annoying. And done. Video settings, render distance, there.
Final.
Smooth lighting off.
Claymore. I have a phone. Claymore.
Alright. Now we are going to go ahead and type slash give if then player 74. The first thing that pop up is Minecraft. We're going to type in test. Oh, or no, TUT. Oh, apparently we don't have an item registering. Oh, I think I know why. I forgot a little thing that I should have remembered. Inside of client proxy and common proxy, we need to put a little something something. Alright, so go to common proxy and client proxy. So say, now this little something something I have in my other one, and I can't remember what you put in there. I just know there's something that's supposed to go in them that will make the thing work.
Oh, this is the tool material.
As
Okay.
well, and there's a couple things I forgot to do. Alright, in FML pre-initialization, or FML initialization, we have to initialize the stuff. So go ahead and type in test TUT mod items dot init. Now type in TUT mods V dot register items, and we gotta do a whole bunch of different registers because there are a lot of different registers. Register materials, and then dot register recipes, and then dot register render. For item, it just stays item. Oh wait, no. That's what goes in the one thing. Dot register renders.
Okay, yeah.
And dot. Alright, that's all we need. Now you can see how many things that go in there. Now, you're probably going to want to do the same for blocks. If you want to go, or if you think you can do blocks, well, go ahead and try and wait for next episode, or keep.
You really, and then realize nothing
Watching
works
the
because you
tutorials.
have to do something else for blocks that's different.
Yeah, so try yourself, but make sure to come back and watch the blocks tutorial because you're not going to get it by yourself.
In other words, you're an asshole.
No, in other words, there's more complex stuff in blocks.
Fine, and we'll be friends.
Alright, so we have that, and then inside of common proxy, we do, I really feel like it's a public extends. Okay, we're gonna open this and see what it is. Common proxy. Alright, inside of common proxy, it's just this. Inside of client proxy, it's the other thing. Alright, I can remember this. Okay. Inside of client proxy, it's just that. Inside of common proxy, it is that to an extent. Alright. So, now press enter twice. We do, register renders, tut mod items dot register render, and then for that item, what you put there is
Windows Explorer has stopped working.
oh, that's weird.
I'm just gonna leave that alone. Windows Explorer is
Um,
restarting. Alright, I'll just let you do that.
Alright, it's supposed to be register renders.
Welcome to Windows Vista.
I'm pretty sure that's because we already did register renders in there, but that's not supposed to happen. Alright, we should be good now. TJMod.register.
Now I need to set the lang file. Yeah. Lang. Wait, do I need to do anything here? Oh, I also need to add the JSONs. Gosh darn, this is such a pain.
Control save, and then the last thing we need to do, for block registry init, register block material, okay, same as here, register item. Alright, we should be good now. Close that. And control save, and now this is the last time we're going to do anything with coding this episode. Hope you guys did enjoy the nice tutorial I gave you, and the crazy...
You're funny. You thought your tutorial was nice. I'm sorry.
Well, who knows? That's probably better quality than all the other people's tutorials.
No, it's not. Well, actually, quality-wise, you win.
Yeah.
Quantity-wise,
Quantity-wise,
got name equals mesh.
Don't you just love this Mojang loading screen?
Machete dot name equals
Like, I wish Mojang did this.
not machete. Function. Or however that's spelled. I don't know. It was a sword I looked up on the internet. And this final one, Claymore. I've actually heard of this at least.
Claymore? Isn't that an explosive?
That's a sword.
Claymore. Alright, we're gonna open our world that we just had. And then...
Item. Oh.
hopefully our item will be there. There's no reason it shouldn't be this time. I didn't forget to actually initialize it at all.
Did you put it in a tab?
Yep, I put it in miscellaneous. And it's not there. Maybe I didn't. Slash give
What's your mod ID?
space TUT mod.
Press tab.
I am.
Oh.
And it messed up again.
You messed up the mod ID somewhere.
TUT mod. Now we get to do this. Okay. TUT mod. Maybe I messed it up in here. I do it in here more. TUT MOD. It's spelled right there. It's TUT mod. And it's
Well,
spelled
check your other mod thing. Your other modding thing, because apparently this don't work for you. I have to add the JSONs. Main, resources, assets, MWM, models, item, scimitar, right click, copy, 1, 2, 3. Rename this one to, machete. Edit machete, items slash machete. Control S.
Alright, I'm gonna pause it and figure out what the problem is because I am not going to be able to figure it out on camera. Alright guys, I figured out the problem and... oh, okay, stop. When you press F11 in Eclipse, It does
I did not know that.
Figured out the problem. Go to TJMod main. Control cut these and put them inside of FML pre-initialization. As well, we forgot proxy dot. Now register renders. Now we can save, and we should be good.
I'm also running my mod running the 3 items I just added to my mod and seeing if it worked. They're currently all machete material though, so they all do the damage of not machete, but they all do the damage of scimitars. So yeah.
Wait, why is the scimitar machete material?
Well, no, I said machete at first because I am an idiot.
Oh.
But yeah, they're all currently scimitar material. Because yeah. Why aren't you appearing? Oh, it is. I'm just slightly slower than you at the moment. I know, I don't know how to set Minecraft to launch with more RAM using Forge.
I don't either, but my Minecraft launches with more RAM than yours.
You have more RAM on your computer. There.
Yeah, I have 3 gigabytes more.
Yeah.
Alright. First thing I would like to shout out is... Oh, well, okay. No mod information.
You can fix that later.
Yeah, we'll fix that later. Another thing that we should do before we end off this episode is a crafting recipe, but we're not going to...
No, that's a
test that
different
this
episode entirely, because they're complex.
No,
Yeah, yeah.
That's part of the item.
No, that's... No, you do that as a separate episode. Whatever.
So press E, go to miscellaneous, and scroll down, and it's not there.
Well, just try and give it to yourself.
Give myself TT mod's not even a thing still. So now I think it's another problem that I'm doing because I tried everything else.
Oh.
So,
Let's see if my mod works.
what? I think what it could be is the mcmod.info.
No, that doesn't
mod
affect
ID,
it.
Well, I changed the mod ID. It should be TUTMOD. Name, we're going to change the name to
Oh,
TUTORIN.
let's see. Oh, let's go to the mod
Alright.
tab.
Control save,
Oh, dang, these swords look cool.
and we should be good.
Wait, is a machete a sword?
Yes.
Yeah, it is. Alright.
It's more used to cut, like, vines and stuff, so you should make it so it, chops down leaves faster.
Well, it's a sword.
And vines. Yeah.
It'll
Machete-
defaultly do that.
Make it do it faster than a sword.
Okay, let's see how this looks in my hand. A 5. Ooh, I should fix that later. I'll fix that later. Okay, so this is the claymore. The long sword. That's what this is. In comparison to a katana, it is longer, I think. Along with... I think I accidentally made the machete really long. Whoops. Look, it's hard to make textures when you're on a tablet, alright?
I'm not.
Okay, the fountain I got right. This looks cool, at least. And holds right.
Right. Tutorial mod. Version is version 0.0. Mod ID TUT mod. Okay, that's better. Last time it said that there was no MC mod info. Now it's fixed, and this should work. And I guess I'm not doing the crafting recipes in this episode. Oh, this episode's gonna be a long one. Alright, press E, and it should be in miscellaneous. And it's still not there. Alright, press...
That
this
won't
and
fix
this.
it.
What? Yep, that didn't
Wait.
fix it.
Dude,
Huh.
did you only change the MC mod info? Of course that wouldn't fix it, you idiot. Alright, go to your mod class. Or your main. Yeah, this one. Okay. I'm a pre-init. Okay. Mod items. Yeah, that's all correct. Okay, go to init. Proxy.register. Yeah, that's correct. Scroll down more. Post in it has nothing. Alright, check your items. Go to items class.
Alright.
Alright, so, what?
Oh, that's just the way I have
Okay.
laid out.
Item, test item. Public static item, test item. Okay. And then next you should have, init. And inside of init you have, whoops, let me check. Skype open. There we go. Alright, so inside of init you have test item equals new item dot set unlocalized name blah blah blah. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Register items. Let me see. I called it register. Game registry dot register item blah blah. You didn't get the unlocalized name, and why is that in quotes?
Oh. Wait, which one?
The second one, yes.
Oh, is the first one supposed to be in
No,
quotes?
they're both not in quotes. Like here, I'll send you my
Okay.
line.
Then that means it's just this line. Right here.
Blech.
Control copy.
That's the katana line.
Well, that's...
Item. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That
Instead
is.
of item, you do test.
You spelled cheese. There you go. And then.
Control save. And
Yeah, that's
that
correct.
one-
And wait, let me see your bottommost line. Yeah, that looks right.
It should be right. Alright, well, we're going to test it, and if this doesn't work, we'll be back with the bug fix next episode. This episode is dragging on.
You really should edit your videos.
I should, but I can't because 4K quality.
This is 2K.
Oh, 2K, whatever. Maybe I can with 2K. I don't know.
Okay, skinny tie looks good. Claymore is inside of my hand. Falchion is good. Machete is also inside of my hand. Katana is halfway inside of my hand. Lava sword is good. Diamond spears, third person is messed up. And the block is a block. So my mod's coming along nicely, at least.
And we are almost ready. And boom. Alright, single player, new world. I hope it's there. I want to show you guys the item today. I did this last time I had, last time I wanted to try and record a tutorial series. It went bad. I'll tell you that much. Because of this. Sort of same reason. And it's still not there.
Wait, okay. Just, okay, type in tutmod when you /give. And then press tab. Colon. And then tab. Okay, what's the item? Test item? Just type in test item. What?
Oh, maybe it's test space item? No.
Okay. Go back into your code for a sec. Did you?
Oh. I cannot figure out.
Check your other code.
Um.
Wait.
Is there supposed to be any more reference?
Why do you have capitals for everything?
Because
You're
at least I'm not like you and have all of it caps.
well, not there, but I meant for when you're naming the item and stuff. You have it all capital, and I'm like, yeah.
Whatever. Alright, well, we'll see you guys in the next one when I show you guys what the problem is with the mod and we fix it. I swears it will be fast. So, see you guys in the next